Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com, and I'm here to tell you that if you are in the San Francisco area, May 3rd, 4th, or 5th, this video might be of interest to you. Yes, the Windup Watch Fair is coming back to San Francisco. We were there last year in 2023. We are doing it again in 2024. What cheesy thing am I doing this year? If you wear an Islander watch and come to the booth and ask for it, I will give you a $50 bill. I want to see this show crawling with Islanders. We will be on the second floor. You'll certainly find us, but you have to ask for the money because it's amazing how many people don't even show their wrist and they just kind of wait for me to say something. So ask and you shall receive. And after you get that 50, there might be a special offer made to you. I don't know, you have to find out. What is the Windup Watch Fair? The Windup Watch Fair is hosted by the lovely folks at Worn & Wound, and it is the largest customer-facing retail watch show in the country. It is a place you can come get hands-on with brands that you normally do not get an opportunity to get hands-on with, meet brand owners, ambassadors, etc. Try on, purchase a watch and take it home with you. Some of the brands that will be there, by the way, it is at the Fort Mason Gateway Pavilion, May 3rd, 4th, and 5th, from around noon to like 5 or 6 p.m., depending on the day. There's a whole bunch of brands being represented, several dozen, I would actually more than that, maybe 60 or so. I'm going to rattle off a couple of the names really quick that just pop out to me. Accutron, Alpina, Ball, Baltic, Brew, definitely see Jonathan at Brew. Let's see, Bulova, perhaps you've heard of them. Christopher Ward, perhaps you've heard of them. Let's see, the lovely people at Formex, at Fortis, Furlan Marie, really cool stuff going on there. G-Shock. We've got a brand called Islander. I'm going to check them out. I hear they're really, really good people. Young Hands, Laco. We've got Laurier, Marathon. We've got Okanasker. We've got, let's see. I'm not skipping anyone on purpose, just names that kind of pop out that I want to talk, that I will say something about. Spinnaker, Studio Underdog, Vortic, Vulcane, Zurich, Zodiac. If I skipped anyone, it doesn't mean anything, just a name didn't pop out at me. But loads of brands to see, watches that typically you may not be able to check out in a local store, so you have to come here to see it. The show will go on again in Chicago, and it will, that's in the summertime, and it will visit New York in October. We do plan on being at both shows. But anyway, that's it for now. So that's from Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. Make sure you come to the Windup Watch Fair. If you are in the San Francisco area on the aforementioned dates, you have nothing else better to do. Come on down. See you there.